I'm Jim Lovell. I'm the Explorer, Lindblad Explorer, and we're just here on the Strait of Magellan, and we're looking at some very beautiful glaciers, and we're coming in close. It couldn't be a better day. Blue sky, white clouds, and the captain is getting us very close to this glacier, which you can probably see over my shoulder. Trip's been great. I couldn't ask for a better time. Great people, great food, great scenery. My hikes were a little long for my age, but that's that's about it.
It is breathtakingly spectacular, and there's no place else on earth like this. It's lovely, and we're very fortunate to be able to see this.